Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to buy Tether on MoonPay application. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorials like this. To buy Tether on MoonPay application, first open your MoonPay application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your MoonPay account. Tether is a blockchain-enabled platform designed to facilitate use of fiat currencies in a digital manner. Now, here you can see your home page. Now, scroll down, you can see popular tokens. Under popular tokens, you can see Tether. If you are not seeing that option, you can scroll to the top and tap on the option of buy at the left. Now, tap on Ethereum. Then here you can tap on the search bar at the top, then search for Tether, then tap on Tether. Now here you can swap the currency that you want to add to enter the amount of Tether that you want to purchase. To do so, tap on the two arrow icon. Then you can tap on the amount given on the top, or you can manually enter the amount that you want to buy. After doing so, tap on continue at the downside. Now here you need to add your wallet address. Tap on the given box if you have your Ethereum address with you and enter the Ethereum address. If you don't have it right now, you can tap on MoonPay Ethereum at the downside. Use an address which supports Ethereum and make sure it is correct to avoid losing your USDT. With that, tap on continue at the downside. Then you'll be guided to the browser available on your mobile phone where you need to add your payment method. Now, here you can see two payment methods. First is bank card, another is bank transfer. I am using bank card. You can use any payment method as you want. Now, after selecting the payment method, now here you need to enter the details regarding your payment method. As I am using card, now here I need to enter my card number, expiry date on the given box, CVC on the given box, then enter the card billing address. If you have already entered your card billing address, you can change it by tapping on update. After entering all your card details, tap on continue at the downside. With that, you'll be further guided to buy Tether on your MoonPay application. This is how we can buy Tether on MoonPay app. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.